Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best flash diffuser is probably one of the most underrated accessories for any photographer, especially those using Canon cameras. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, mastering flash photography can be a game changer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of flash diffusers, exploring how they transform your images by softening light and reducing those unflattering shadows. Number 5. Altura Photo Flash Diffuser Softbox 6x5. This softbox is designed for shoe-mount flash units. It reduces harshness and softens shadows, providing even lighting for your photos. It also features an additional internal diffuser for better wraparound light. The diffuser ensures your images have a more natural look. It eliminates harsh shadows, giving your subjects a flattering glow. This will make your photos look more professional. It's easy to use with an integrated hook and loop fastener strap. When not in use, it folds down flat for easy storage. This makes it convenient to carry around. This softbox fits most shoe-mount flash units. It's compatible with Canon, Nikon, Sony, Olympus, and more. You can use it with your existing flash. The compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go photography. It's a great addition to any photographer's kit. Get yours today and start taking better photos. What we like. This diffuser softens harsh shadows and provides even lighting. If you are looking for a simple and compact solution to improve your flash photography, you should consider this one. It's easy to use and fits most speedlights. What people say. The 9x7 size is perfectly suited for speedlights, allowing you to soften harsh light and reduce unwanted shadows. Inside the diffuser is more reflective material, which I was not expecting, but this helps maximize your light. With its Velcro and sizing, works great with both of my flashes, so it's versatile in size, definitely disperses a great lighting look to my clients and gave a nice soft picture quality. Number 4. Flash Diffuser 3-pack for Canon and Godox. Godox, a trusted name since 1993, brings you this lighting solution. This diffuser enhances your photography, ensuring superior light diffusion and stunning results. It's designed to elevate your experience. Crafted from high-quality, environmentally friendly polyethylene, this softbox is built to last. It's 30% lighter for convenience, and with 99% light transmittance, it delivers softer, more even lighting. You'll love the results. Easy to install and use, this softbox instantly transforms your flash lighting. By diffusing the light, it reduces glare and softens shadows. Multiple internal diffusers ensure your subjects are beautifully lit. This flash diffuser is compatible with a wide range of camera flash models, including Godox, Yongnuo, and Canon. It's a versatile tool for any photographer, making it a must-have accessory. You'll receive 3 flash diffusers in this package, giving you the tools you need for various photography scenarios. Get ready to enhance your lighting setup and capture amazing photos. Note, camera flash not included. What we like. This product delivers superior light diffusion for stunning results. If you like soft, flattering light and need a versatile solution, you should consider this one. It's compatible with a wide range of flashes, making it a great choice for various setups. What people say. It fits really nicely on my flash and it doesn't make it a whole lot bulkier when I put it in my flash's travel case, so basically I never have to take it off, which is perfect. It does its job at diffusing very well. Sia data perfeitamente alla testa del Godox V863 V862 e hanno lo stesso caratteristiche del diffuser originale. Number 3. Altura Photo Universal Speedlite Flash. Introducing the Altura Photo Universal Speedlite Flash. It's a powerful manual flash designed for photographers of all levels. This high-performance flash offers great value. Use it directly on your camera's hot shoe or off-camera for portraits. It's a versatile tool to enhance your photography. This flash is compatible with a wide range of Nikon cameras, including the D3500, D5600, and Z series. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing gear. It also works with many Canon models, such as the EOS Rebel series and the EOS R series. However, it is not compatible with T7, T100 and SL3. The Altura Photo Flash is also compatible with Sony Alpha series and RX 100 series cameras. It is a great addition to your Sony setup. What we like. This is a high-performance manual flash suitable for photographers of all levels. If you are looking for a powerful and affordable flash to use on or off camera, you should consider this one. It's compatible with many Canon, Nikon, and Sony cameras. What people say. Great quality and easy to use with my camera. Would recommend to anyone. Very functional, great flash power, and very bright. I like that the flash feels durable with some weight, though it is made of all plastic. It comes with a diffuser and a reflective piece that helps make the light softer. The flash has several steps of power going all the way down to 1128. Number 2. Enhanced Speedlite Flash Diffuser Softbox. This compact diffuser pops open in seconds, ready for action. It's designed for use with most speedlights, including newer, Altura, and more. The ultra-compact design fits easily in your pocket. Take it with you wherever you go for your next photo shoot. The stretch opening ensures a secure connection to your flash. It stays firmly in place without sagging. This diffuser spreads light evenly, eliminating harsh shadows and reflections. It helps you achieve professional-looking results. With dimensions of 3.75 by 3.75 inches and a reflective inner compartment, it provides strong, even light. It's also backed by a 3-year warranty. What we like. This diffuser pops open in seconds and is ready for action. If you are looking for a portable and easy-to-use solution that fits in your pocket, you should consider this one. It provides evenly spread light and eliminates harsh shadows. What people say. Since buying this, I have discovered that all of my indoor photos are improved by the Softbox. It folds up easily and fairly compact and can fit in my camera kit or even your pocket. If you are using a smaller flash unit or the pop-up flash built into your DSLR or mirrorless camera, this is a great accessory for softening the effect of the flash. Number 1. MagMod Professional Flash Kit 2. The Professional Flash Kit 2 is here, with a complete makeover. This kit includes everything you need to create amazing images quickly and easily. It features magnetic modifiers and pro gels to help you diffuse light like a pro. This kit is designed for next-level photographers. It includes redesigned modifiers with improvements focused on weight reduction and round-head flash optimization. It's compatible with many popular flash brands. These award-winning camera accessories have been redesigned to be even better. They are now lighter, with enhanced performance and stronger magnetic attachments. The magnetic design allows for fast and secure changes. These magnetic light modifiers diffuse light in a way only a pro can appreciate. You can instantly transform the harsh light of your camera flash into a soft, omnidirectional light source. You can also stack multiple modifiers to customize your setup. The Professional Flash Kit 2 includes 5 of our most popular MagMod products. It's a must-have photo lighting kit for any pro or aspiring photographer. It is perfect for various events and is compatible with nearly every flash size and brand. What we like. This kit offers magnetic modifiers for lightning-fast changes. If you like customizing your light and need a professional-grade solution, you should consider this one. It provides superior light control and is compatible with nearly every flash. What people say. The diffusion from the modifiers are great and the quality of everything is top-notch. It fits on every single flash that I own, large or small, and the magnetic feature is a genius product. I was not the hired photographer. However, the shots were totally amazing, lighting up faces, preserving fabric colors, textures, and flesh tones. It's my new go-to for flash photography. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.